YouTube. What the fuck going on with y'all boys? If you new, welcome to the neighborhood. If you on the way back home, if you came back home, my nigga, if you came back home, my nigga, you ugly. Welcome to the video. You feel me? I appreciate y'all boys for tuning in. As y'all see by the title, I don't really know what I'm firmly gonna name it. Like as I'm recording it right now, I have a couple ideas, but it'll be something along the lines of nigga having a good ass day on a Monday. You know what I'm saying? Start the week off good. I ain't gonna lie, when I start the week off good, bro, it just make everything flow better because now I have because once I end the week off, whether profit or not, I don't want to start the week off and go less than that amount, whether I make profit or not. You feel me? So starting the week off good is very important to me. Again, if I happen to lose, it is what it is, but I like to start the week off with a dub. I'm finna show y'all real quick exactly what happened. Matter of fact, bro, why are those lines doing that, gang? Why are those lines doing that, bro? What is that, money? What is that, money? What is that? I don't know, but y'all can see. We got this quick sell right here. Boom. I ain't gonna lie, straight to TP. Last Monday, remember, if y'all been watching my videos, last Monday, we let the trade come all the way back. This time, no. This time, no, not happening. You feel me? Not happening. I'll show y'all more of the trade breakdown later into the vid for real. But as y'all see, your boy had a great Monday, great start. Now I have room for if I lose, it won't hit as hard as, you feel me? Because now I have more cushion for the week. I have cushion for the week. There's, bro, basically a band in a day. Nigga, there's no reason I should, my losses are 200 or less. You feel me? My losses are 200 or less. So make it make sense. Why risk more, do some craziness when, look at the dubs. Look at the dubs. Now y'all know every trade is a learning lesson. You feel me? Now you're gonna learn a lesson from each trade, whether it's a dub, loss, whatever the case may be, right? And I just wanted to go over something that I learned specifically from that trader, just like notice that I've been getting a little bit better with. You feel me? Now we're human. Like I said in my previous videos, we're human. If you haven't watched my other jinx, go tune in. You feel me? But now we're human, bro. So like, if you really think about it, there's a lot of stuff that we just have to conquer, you know, or overcome to get to certain places. Now, one of them things being, as humans, we like to compare a lot. Male, female, you feel me? We like to compare a lot. It doesn't matter whether it's female compared to a man, female to female, male to female, like, you feel me? Whatever it is that whoever you're comparing to, just usually you're comparing to somebody that you feel like is doing better than you, right? Oh, you know, they got a McLaren from trading. They got this from trading. They got the new crib from trading. I didn't do it yet. You feel me? So you comparing, rushing your journey, trying to get to the point where they at, but you don't know their whole story. You feel me? You don't know the whole story. You don't know where it came from. Plus with trading, this is the point I'm trying to make. With trading, when you hop on that charts, bro, it doesn't matter what they're doing. It doesn't matter how much money they have. It doesn't matter about any of that. If you're wrong, you're wrong. If you're right, you're right, right? I took that gold trade. I won, right? There's two people I follow that also trade gold. Female won, you feel me? I looked at her chart. She took the exact same trade as me, right? We seen the same thing. Go to the other person, they lost. Do they both got shit ton more money than me? Yes. But at the end of the day, it doesn't matter. Unless y'all on the charts, unless you know this person and y'all are trading together, you feel me? Unless y'all on a Discord call trading together and y'all taking the same exact trade and losing or winning together, there's nothing to compare about. It's a $1 trillion market, bro. They honestly, they locked in sooner than you. Really? It's just like trading is, again, it's not the strategy. It's not looking at charts. It's not none of that. It's risk management. Your strategy is risk management. Your strategy is discipline. You feel me? Your strategy is overcoming you as a human. That is your strategy. You feel me? So at the end of the day, you may feel like, oh, I lost today, but they won. They always, no, bro. Because you're going to win on days that they lose. You feel me? You're going to win on days that, and I've seen it so many times. Like, I got out of that habit of comparing. Like, don't get me wrong. Yes, I take inspiration from them. Like, damn, this nigga really, it take a lot to have that discipline locked down. It take a lot to follow your plan every day, and it sounds crazy. Why wouldn't you be doing something that It's making you money, right? It's so easy to click in the button. Trading, what they say, trading is the easiest hard way to make money or some shit like that. Something like that. But it's true. You could click a button to make money, but my nigga, like if you can't control yourself of how easy it is because it's so easy, it's hard. You know what I mean? If it was so hard, then the money would. Okay, pause. Now it is 8:41. Like I said, I don't really like to get in trades until after 9 for real. But like yesterday, I wanted to close above this, this zone to my left over here for us to keep going up. We did it, and we ended up engulfing down. So, obviously I wasn't gonna buy off of that price action, which again, I caught that sell. Now today it looks like, don't get me wrong, I could have already been in, but I like to wait for extra confirmation. I want to see this close above these highs to confirm, like that's where we're going. I mean, that doesn't mean that we're gonna buy either, but it's more confirmation that we are. It was a simple demand setup right here that did go up a little bit, but like I said, I don't usually like to hop in trades before that 4 hour, 1 hour close at 9. You feel me? So we gonna see what we can get. If we do get anything, I'll show y'all later. But yeah, patience, gang. Patience. Wait, like, what am I tripping about? I'm about to press a button and make that yetter. Wait. Hold on. What day is it? It's Tuesday, May 20th, right? It's Tuesday. Hold on. It's Tuesday, May 20th, right? Okay, then. Let's show y'all these profits for the day, right? Now I'm gonna show y'all the photos first, cause just make it easier. You feel me? Right? In the live account. Come on, nigga. 10 a.m. Right? It's 12 now. 2 hours ago, it was up 14. You feel me? And it kept going. It's insane. It kept going. It's insane. You feel me? Prop account, we was up 35. We did lose a little bit first. So, I think we took what we took. If I actually go to TradingView, right? I'm gonna actually go to TradingView so niggas don't think I'm lying. TradingView, y'all know what TradingView is. You know what I'm saying? 50, bro, we 5K in 2 days. Nigga, we only need 9 to pass, bro. 2,700 on the day. We took a little L first. It's cool though. TradingView here. I'm actually going to my real broker, right? I'm gonna block that out. I'm gonna actually go to my real broker. I'm going to my real broker so y'all can see in the live account. Niggas ain't playing. I already showed y'all my past video. Not playing with y'all, but it's live. You know what I'm saying? It's live. 84, right? Mind y'all seen the picture already. So don't that add up? Don't that add up? Let's go to the account history, bro. Let's go to the account history, bro. Let's go down May 1st to May 20th. Let's do May 20th to May 20th. All right. Look at today. Y'all see the dates. Y'all see the dates. Take that little small L first, but y'all see the dates though. Let's see the dates. Y'all see the time. There's no rap in my yin. There's no cat in my rap. Niggas almost said ain't no rap in my cat. But y'all see the times on there, you mean? 9:58, man. 9:58. 9:58, we was at 800. 10 o'clock, we was at 14. Come on, bro. I'm taking that. 800 to 14 in 2 minutes. Mind you, it kept going. Now, could I have held? Yes. Am I having a good week? Yes. Was I expecting that much? Bro, I won yesterday, right? 950 or 960, whatever the case may be. Monday. Again, I'm going to show y'all that. Today, won again. No drawdown. I'm taking that. Again, like, I don't even care that it went more if you really want to be honest. But for real, bro, this shit been really just, like, it's been doing what it needs to do lately. Like, my plan been planning. My discipline been disciplining, like everything. Like, it's like once you start doing what you're supposed to do, everything just start falling behind, bro. Becoming a better person, getting better, involving yourself and just get disciplined, listening to yourself, writing down a plan, executing it, just doing everything that you're supposed to do. Like, this feels a lot better than doing what you're not supposed to do. And then now I'm in a trade 15 hours because I've been waiting for this joint to come back and I never placed a stop loss and I'm fried. Like, I niggas used to be hunched over not the toilet. I was never hunched over the toilet. Well, maybe when it was closed, but hunched over the sink in the bathroom, hunched over the tub, praying, come back, praying for trades, bro. Niggas done did it all, gang. Niggas done did the worst that you could even think. So fast forward to today, and mind you, this account I put 13 in. I put 1,300 in. I lost 700 or whatever the case. At the end of the day, I went down to 500. You feel me? 500 to 84, nigga. Basically almost 8 bands in less than a month. Basically a month. Like in a month, I just came up 8 bands in a month off of a live account from 500. So now that I'm at where I'm at, mind you, in the beginning, I was making 400, 500, 600, maybe in profit. Now I'm upping it to a rack plus. And that's not gonna be every trade. I know that. But the more I build my account, the more profit I'm gonna be getting. Why am I tripping? Take your time. And I'm also trying to build this account. I'm not trying to crazily flip this account or anything. I'm trying to build a base. I'll take payouts from the prop. I just take payouts from the prop. I'm not tripping. We're not tripping, bro. Be patient, be disciplined. You got it. You feel me?
Well, all he know is hard times. Super futuristic, cool 2025. AJ came in the truck, the only reason he alive. And I got it out the mud. I always knew this day would come. Yeah.
He just came in the truck, the only reason he alive. And they say I got it out the mud. I heard the Volks. I know y'all niggas hear the Volks. Your boy got that filet mignon, you know what I'm saying? Your boy got that filet mignon. Why is it doing that? Anyway, your boy got that filet mignon. I had to get that spicy chicken meal. You feel me? Just a little something. Niggas gotta eat. Niggas gotta eat after a good day. Do niggas not gotta eat after a good day? Like, I just feel like my tummy deserves a little yummy. Feel me? The boy had to really see what that green and red still talking about now. That dark blue, light blue, really the OG for me. Like that, feel me? A lot of memories with that John. But green and red, let's see what she chatting. Let's see what she chatting, gang. But nah, sorry for the no face cam. Honestly, don't feel like hooking that joint up. They got to hook up the cam link. Got to put it back on a tripod. Got to move a little bit of my monitors out the way. Like I don't, you know what I mean? I just want to show y'all a little, you feel me? What's going on the charts from Monday and Tuesday. So. Like I said before, gold technically was in the baby downtrend, right? In the baby downtrend. So expecting a pullback at some point, right? Expecting some type of pulling to the upside. But on Monday specifically, the reason why I still sold, right? I'll show y'all in a second all the entries and stuff. But the reason I still sold is because if you look here on Monday, right? We have this high here. If we wanted to push above, right? The markets are real people, bro. Like this is not robot gang. Like this is all like they're doing. Each candlestick tells a story, right? Patience is key. We rejected 3 times to close above this area, right? Okay, whatever, right? We could still go up. That doesn't mean we won't go up. You feel me? But right around the time where I hop into trades, which is after 9 p.m., you're telling me we're going to create a 1 hour bearish engulfing, right? On the 4 hour, we're going to close back down after pushing up heavily on the 4. Like, come on, bro, make it make sense. You feel me? So after seeing right this, like I wait for my confirmation. Like, wait for your confirmation, bro. When I seen that we got this huge 1 hour engulfing. A 30-minute engulfing, when I'm immediately going down to the lower time frame, right? Immediately going down to the lower time frame, right? Look at structure. It's simple. I'm waiting on, right? Once you get that higher time frame confirmation of your kind of like your direction and stuff, go. I mean, sometimes yes, you can get an aggressive entry and enter in early if that's what you think it's going to do, but I just like to wait for double confirmation, right? Because I don't like to be in trades where okay, I got in. Right, you get in up here. Say you got in up here for the sale because you thought it was going to sell, and you were right. It sold, right? But then you have to deal with the pullback, of now this is the time that I'm getting in. You feel me? Because I don't want to. Like, yeah, you're gonna get a little pullback, but I don't want the I got in. That shit came all the way back to break even. You feel me? Like, I like to get in when it's ready to go. When something breaks, it's gonna pull back. Whether it's breaking up, right? It's gonna break up. It's gonna pull back. It's gonna break up. It's gonna pull back. It's gonna break up. It's gonna pull back. You feel me? That's how the market works. So I usually just wait for those. So once we got this area over here, we broke structure down, right? I wait for that pullback, whether it's the pullback to the FVG fair value gap or pullback to the order block, right? I take a chance on what's first. Don't get me wrong, I didn't enter because I was waiting for, candle confirmation, my price action. You have this zone right here, or this fair value gap right here that I thought it may have went into before dropping, or it did go into it, but it didn't, react off of it. Let me actually put a little box. We did not react off of this area, right? So after that area, what do we have next? The OB. Why does it keep doing this? I don't know if y'all can hear that or not, but my bad. We have this order block, right? The last up candle before the down move, right? Before the actual down push. If you go into the 1 minute, right, when we finally actually got a reaction, it was off the touch of the order block instead of the fair value gap, right? So what was my entry? Right, this y'all can see the dates, y'all can see the open close, all that type stuff, right? 32.37 was my first two entries. 3229 was the second entry. All right, so 30. Wait, what did I say? 3237. 3237. Short position. 3237. Right around here. Stop loss was above. My exit was 3218. 3218. Right. And the reason I did get out there is because, like I said, I'm looking at it as a baby downtrend. So I don't want too much, but I don't think it's ready to go up yet. Right. And the reason why I got out is because, like I said, last Monday, what did I do? I held and it came back to break even, right? So I seen this zone over here untouched, right? Or this order block over here before the up push, untouched. So I was like, you know what, bro? I'm already up 950, 960. I do really want to see a rack or more so I could just say, oh, I made a rack today. But last week when I tried to do that, it came back. I know y'all be having that issue where y'all be trying to hit that next number, like that next milestone in profit, and it just don't. It just return. It just retrace right then and there. I'm not gonna lie, I'm not dealing with that, bro. Give me my money. Money is money again. I'm not about to trip over extra $40, extra $50 for, you feel me? Like, just give me my bread. So that was that trade. Very simple, very textbook, very like patience. Everything was smooth right there, right? So yesterday, Tuesday, same thing kind of happened. You feel me? Same thing kind of happened. Oh my God, go dump it right now. I'm gonna see what I can do with that today. But same thing happened, bro. Right? We have this area that we pushed up, and I want to see it break. I wanted to see it close above here, right? At by the time I'm getting in at 9 a.m. Right after 9 a.m., I would have liked this candle to close above this area to my left. You feel me? I would have loved that. Like, that would have been amazing if this candle closed above. Now, we didn't get that close. So now I had to be a little bit more patient because, again, just like we did here, we actually pushed and closed down with an engulfing on Monday. We did not do that, right? We did not do that on Tuesday or yesterday. Even though we rejected, we still stayed, afloat. And, looking at other time frames closed strong. You feel me? We creating support. 5 minute actually did close above, the highs to the left. So I'm like, okay, let's see what we can do. And actually, I did get into a little sell around here, I believe, which was these small two losses. Just because I was wondering, like, okay, we might go down, but I'm gonna put my stop loss very, very, very close. I'm gonna put my stop loss very, very, very close just to, like, this is a kind of a risky trade because we can still buy, right? We're getting rejection, we're getting rejection, we're getting rejections. We start to finally push up, and I'm like, this is a move. Like, we can't break this low. This is a buy, bro. Like, this is easily a buy. I waited for more confirmation, right? Waited for more confirmation. What was my entry? Let me show y'all real quick. What was my entry on this? My entry was 32.45, right? 32.45. Yeah, 32.45. Where's that at? 32.45 somewhere in here. 32.45 what though? 32.45 91. 32.45.91. So around here. I think it was after this candle pushed up on the 1 minute. And if you look at the 5 minute, I think that was an engulfing. Yeah, it was just an engulfing of this little doji right here, or just that down candle in general. And I just waited for a pullback after the next 5 minute. My nigga, this shit took off, right? What was my exit? My exit was 32.62, 60, 32.62, around here, right? And the reason why I got out is because, this was the whole point of me growing this account, right? The whole point of me growing this account is so I can be able to not have to hold trades till the sun went down. You feel me? Like, now I'm able to use bigger lot sizes because I've grown the account from $500 to $8,400 in a month. You know what I'm saying? So there's no need. Like, yes, I would have loved to hold this much more. Do I know how much this trade is gonna go into profit? No, right? I don't know. Yes, I have targets that could possibly be touched. Like over here, we have this order block before the down move. This last up candle before the down move. We have this 4-hour order block, right? That touched to the pit or to the wick, right? It makes sense. Don't get me wrong. It makes perfect sense to where to hold to, but my nigga, I'm trying to build this account, right? I'm trying to build this account. I'm trying to become more comfortable in my moves and build more cushion. The more cushion I have at the beginning of the week lets me be more lenient for the rest of the week. You feel me? Like, now I have cushion. I'm already up over $2,000. It should be a profitable week even if I don't trade the rest of the week. Even if I lose twice, even if I lose today, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, there's no reason that I go, like, it should still be a profitable week. That's my whole goal. End off each week profitable. Whether I start off with losses, end with losses, whatever the case may be, my goal is to end the week off profitable. You feel me? Now, again, like I said, my strategy is simple: supply and demand, bro. Supply and demand. We push up, we create a demand zone, we come down to touch it, we get a reaction, I buy or I sell. Simple as that. Same thing as yesterday. We create, a push out, which creates an order block or, fair value gap. Created a supply. We come back, touch the supply, wait for my extra confirmation, go down to whatever time frame you want to go down to. You enter, stop loss above. It's going to hit or it's going to not, bro. It's going to hit or it's going to not. Stick that with the trend. Stick that strategy with the trend and you Gucci. You feel me? Stick that strategy with the trend and you good. Like I said, I could have held. Yes. Could I have held? Yes, 100%. But I am trying to build. I want to be comfortable with my profits. You feel me? I want to be comfortable with my profits. I like to be in and out. When I already built up a good, crazy base of bread, sure. Because if this trade comes back, I could care less because I don't necessarily need it. But seeing a rack, seeing 1,400, 1,300 on my screen, 5,000 or 3,000 on my screen in a prop, that's a lot of money, bro. Like, that's a lot of money, and I'm securing it. I'm securing it because it's a lot of money. Yes, I could have probably, if this was, 1,400, this itself could have probably been 18, and then the rest, 2,500 plus right here. But I don't need it. You feel me? I don't need it. I'm trying to be, more responsible. I'm trying to make it make sense. I'm trying to, be grateful of what's going on. Because it doesn't have to come all the way up here. You never know. Yes, there's a probability, but you just never know, right? So let me take my profit and let me, go about my day. I want to take my profit and go about my day. I don't want to be consistently looking at my trades or none of that. That's what a lot of people, everybody has different trading styles. You have a higher lot and you're very confident and you take your trade, you take your profit when you see it. Or you use a lower lot and you wait and you catch more into a trade. Or you do both. Imagine me, like I said, imagine me holding that. Like, if this right here is 1,400, what is this? You feel me? And this is not the first time it's have happened. You feel me? Where I've gotten out of a trade and it went crazy. When gold was doing all this selling, or no, not right there. All this selling right here, like I had entries up here. I just kept catching this sales the other days, or retracement buys, whatever the case may be. But it is what it is. Everybody different, bro. Take what you like and run with it. You feel me? But nah. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. I probably am finna end it here. I'm not even gonna pick the camera back up. Next time I probably will hook up the face cam for y'all though. I really hope y'all do enjoy. I will try to do more breakdowns and stuff. And making it make sense. Like I said, the strategy is not hard. Reading the markets is not hard. It's everything behind the screen. Nothing on the screen is hard. It's everything in real life. Your emotions, your patience, your discipline, right? I could have entered off the touch. Stop loss below. And everything happens for a reason, right? I mean, what am I even talking about? I could have entered that sell and it could have dropped, right? It could have dropped all the way down here to this OB, and then that would have been a move. I would have gotten out, and it could have bought, right? I did sell. Matter of fact, what was the sell entry? 3244. 3244. Because I low key thought that we were gonna get, some sell action off of this little area. We kept rejecting 3244. I low key thought I low key thought we was out. I low key thought we was out, gang. I thought we was out. Wait. No, 3241. 3241 was the entry. 3241. I think it was off of one of these candles that we had pushed down. After seeing this rejection and after one of these candles, I was like, bruh, we about to get up out of here. And then I seen it push up here. And my stop loss was literally above this candle. It was either above this one or above this one. But it was very, like I said, I wanted to see it go right then and there. If it pushes up anymore, then we're not going that way. You feel me? And that's what happened. We pushed up. I said, okay, bet. I'll take a little 120 loss. I'll take a little 130, 120 loss. Whatever, you feel me? Hop right back in for the real way. Reading the charts. Got in, profit, got out. You feel me? It is what it is. On to the next day. You feel me? That was yesterday. Now on to today. You feel me? On to today. We do have. Actually, I'm not even gonna get into the trade because if I get into this trade, I'm not gonna have nothing if niggas win today. I don't even know if I'm trading today or not, so I'm not even gonna get in that. But hope y'all boys enjoy. Like I said, I will try to do more. Bro, we've been going so crazy. Bro, this account came from 500. This account came from 500, bro. I don't know, this is basically a 500 to 10K challenge. Like, this shit came from nothing, bro. I've really been just being patient, right? It's been a month. It's been a month already, but now I hope y'all boys enjoyed. Make sure y'all like, comment, share, subscribe. Let me know what y'all want to see, right? I'm trying to, get y'all vlogs and stuff like that. But at the end of the day, I don't do nothing. I'm a boring ass nigga, and it's gonna be boring for the next little 6 months while I grind this out. You feel me? So let's just get to that bag. You feel me? But appreciate y'all boys or Johns for watching. You feel me? Tuned in. I'm gonna keep coming with these videos for y'all. But be safe. Stick to your plan. Stick to your discipline. Do what you need to do. Win the day. Win the week. Win the hour. You feel me? Win the minute, my nigga. But we out.